Welcome to Metalli. Today, we will take you through the metal fabrication processes offered by our company. As a specialized manufacturer, we support a wealth of metal fabrication and are committed to providing high-quality, customized metal products to our customers around the world. Our fabrication processes include cutting, shaping, joining, and finishing to meet diverse industry needs. From laser cutting to CNC machining, we deliver customized solutions with exceptional quality and durability. Each sample reflects our commitment to precision and quality. From custom aluminum profiles to complex metal components, every piece is crafted to meet your exact specification and industry standards. Our deep drawing process creates complex, seamless shapes with excellent structural integrity, ideal for custom designs and large-scale manufacturing. We provide metal spinning solutions for producing durable, symmetrical parts with smooth finishes, tailored to meet your specific design requirements. We offer high-precision stamping services for efficient, high-volume production with consistent quality and tight tolerances. Metalli also offers service finishing and assembly services to meet your complete project needs. Please feel free to contact us.